Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's video. We are going to learn about the story of Elon Musk. This is a simple and easy to understand biography, perfect for practicing your English listening. Let's get started. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, a city in South Africa. His full name is Elon Reeve Musk. His father's name is Errol Musk, and he was an engineer. His mother's name is May Musk. She was a model and a nutritionist. Elon has a brother named Kimball and a sister named Tosca. When Elon was a child, he loved reading. He could read for hours every day. He also liked computers and technology. When he was just 12 years old, he created a video game called Blaster and sold it for $500. This was his first step as a young entrepreneur. Elon had a difficult time in school. He was shy and was often bullied by other children. One time, the bullies pushed him down the stairs and he had to go to the hospital. But Elon didn't give up. He focused on his interests and kept learning. After finishing high school in South Africa, Elon moved to Canada in 1989. He studied at Queen's University. 2 years later, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania in the United States. He studied economics and physics. He was always interested in science and how things work. After college, Elon went to Stanford University in California to study energy physics. But he left after only 2 days. Why? Because he wanted to start his own company. He believed the internet had a big future. In 1995, Elon started a company called Zip2 with his brother Kimball. It was a kind of online map and business directory. At that time, many people didn't even use the internet. But Elon saw the future. In 1999, they sold Zip2 for $307 million. Elon became a millionaire at just 28 years old. After that, Elon started another company called X.com. It was an online bank. Later, X.com became what we now know as PayPal. In 2002, PayPal was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. Elon made even more money. But Elon wasn't interested only in money. He wanted to help the world. He had 3 big goals: help people use clean energy, make space travel possible for everyone, improve transportation on Earth. Let's look at how he started working on these dreams. Tesla, clean energy for cars. In 2004, Elon joined a small car company called Tesla. The company wanted to build electric cars. At that time, most people didn't believe electric cars could be successful. But Elon believed they were the future. In 2008, Tesla released its first car, the Roadster. Later, they created more popular cars like the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y. These cars became famous all around the world. Elon also built big battery factories called gigafactories to make more cars and batteries. Elon wanted the world to stop using gas and oil. He believed electric cars and solar energy could help fight climate change. SpaceX, going to space. In 2002, Elon started a space company called SpaceX. His goal was to reduce the cost of space travel and to go to Mars one day. At first, things were hard. The first 3 rockets failed. Elon spent almost all his money trying to make it work. People laughed at him and said he would fail. But in 2008, the 4th rocket finally worked. NASA noticed this and gave SpaceX a big contract to send supplies to the International Space Station. Later, SpaceX made history by landing rockets back on Earth safely. This had never been done before. In 2020, SpaceX sent astronauts to space on a rocket called Crew Dragon. It was the first time a private company did this. Elon's dream is to build a city on Mars. He says if something happens to Earth, humans should have another place to live. He calls Mars the backup plan. Other inventions: solar, tunnels, and brain tech. Elon also started many other companies. One of them is SolarCity, which helps people use solar power at home. He also started the Boring Company. This company wants to build tunnels under cities to reduce traffic. Elon once showed a video of cars going through these tunnels at high speeds. People were surprised but also curious. Another company is Neuralink. It works on connecting the human brain to computers. Elon says this could help people with brain injuries in the future. Twitter, X, and media attention. In 2022, Elon Musk bought Twitter, a popular social media platform. He said he wanted to protect free speech. After buying it, he made many changes and even renamed it X. Some people liked the changes, but others thought they were too extreme. Elon is very active on social media. He often tweets funny, strange, or surprising things. Sometimes people don't agree with him, but he always shares his ideas freely. Elon Musk's personal life. Elon has been married and divorced multiple times. He has several children. He works a lot and sleeps very little, sometimes only 5 or 6 hours a night. He says he spends most of his time at the office or in the factory. Elon doesn't give up easily. Even when people say his ideas are crazy, he keeps trying. He says, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. How people see Elon Musk. Elon Musk is a very famous person. Many people admire him. They say he is a genius and a big dreamer. They like that he takes risks and wants to make the world better. Fans say he is changing the future with electric cars, space travel, and clean energy. Some people call him the real-life Iron Man. But not everyone likes Elon. Some people think he is too bold. They say he talks too much on social media and makes wild promises. Some of his workers said he is a tough boss and sometimes too demanding. Others say he moves too fast and doesn't think enough about the results. In the media, some news reports praise him, while others criticize him. But no one can ignore him. He is one of the most talked about people in the world. Elon Musk today. Today, Elon Musk is one of the richest people in the world. But he is not just rich. He is always working on big ideas. Whether it's going to space, driving electric cars, or building tunnels, Elon wants to change the world. Some people love him. Some people don't. But everyone knows his name. He is a person who follows his dreams, no matter how difficult they are.